So I want to put a swing arm on the 40 Ford, and I have one off a late 80s Chevy S10 pickup. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the shop and I'm going to see if I can fab up some brackets to make that work. Wish me luck. So I've got this sway bar. It's from an S10, late 80s S10. It's an inch, at least an inch around, so it's a good solid thick sway bar. So I've made some mounts to mount it on here. Onto the bottom control arms, and then bolt them up here. Okay, got everything put together. I got a lot of clearance between the end of the sway bar and the coil spring. Kind of hard to see here, but you can get your hand in there. Also got room between the sway bar link and the steering rack, so it's good. I've got my front mounts for the bushings all cleaned up nicely, rounded off, looking good. This side too, same thing. Lots of clearance, looking pretty good. And everything's painted up and great.